Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with a brand new video. Today we are going to look at installing a radiator guard for my NC750. So stick around, we're going to go through that. Okay, so this bike didn't come with a radiator guard, so I've decided to add one to it. And if you kind of look at the where the radiator is, and you can see that it is actually fairly exposed, so to the elements from the road. Now this bike did come with a fender extender, but you can still see that this it's all fairly exposed, so I think a radiator guard would be fantastic protection for it. So this radiator guard came all the way from China, so I decided to buy this off from AliExpress, amongst other things. So let's take this packing off and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, let's try this way. So you can see it's got, I believe this is the top, okay, and then it has you can see one knob. I think it's just a catch on this side, catch on this side. Okay, that's what it looks like. You can see little knob on this side. So my understanding is that as I take off that bolt, which is I think in this position, the radiator goes that way, and then as it comes out, I'm going to squeeze this little knob inside the top. And before I do that, I guess I've got to get this underneath the radiator and kind of do it, fix it in that way. Okay, so I've taken this bolt off from here, and then actually I didn't have to push the radiator on the right. I had to push actually to the left of the bike, and that is basically become loose now, and I don't think I actually I can lift it to get it off this bracket, so, and I don't believe I need to do that. So and it has actually come off that bracket. Focused. Yeah, so that's the knob. It's got a little knob there which was in here, so when I push the radiator back, it will basically go into that. So the little knob in the what's it called, the radiator is just going to sit on this side of this rubber. So let me see if I can wedge that into it and see how. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, get those knobs at the bottom to fit in, and I think they're just there. Oh wow, that was easy enough. So these ones at the bottom have just catched radiator from the bottom, and that is just sitting in there, so hopefully it's now just push in. Yeah, there we go. I probably didn't have to actually take this off, so this bolt can go back in there now. Yeah, very nice and easy. So it is sitting there. It's at the right kind of position. Left and right is kind of nicely balanced, but there is nothing to hold that top. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bolt in there. Maybe I can show you that now. So So this thing is just sitting there on the other side of this, and there's a hole in here. So I think what I'm going to do is basically put in a nut and bolt basically, and just tighten that, and that'll do. Okay, I found a nut and bolt, and this is about 5mm diameter and 35mm in length, and let's see if you can fit that in. Right, okay, I think it's in, and just need to tighten that now. I think I just need to tighten this bolt in Bob's your uncle basically. Yes, there we are, good as new. I think looks pretty good. Okay, not a terrible fan of that little screw, to be honest with you. Right. Okay, that's it basically. I probably made it more difficult than it actually is, but it only takes about 20 minutes probably. You don't really need many tools apart from this spanner, and this is a 10mm spanner, and that's it. And if you've ordered basically similar kind as I did, you might need that nut and bolt. So yeah, well, this is one of the mods I've done. I've got many more which I've planned. I've got a number of things which are on the order currently, as I'm obviously trying to customize my new NC750X. And so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the notifications as I make these videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.